make a little boutonniere to go along with this bouquet that we have happening over here. I'm going to use some of the little coral bell leaves, just a little piece of ranunculus, and then I have we used a coral bell flower in here that is actually the leaf. This is the leaf of that variety, but I wanted to use this variety for the boutonniere because rather than having that really harsh dark, it's more of a pink, and then the flowers are white, which helps tie together the ranunculus, so there wasn't so much contrast between those two things. I'm going to do a little wiring on this boutonniere, just so you can get the feel for it. I'm going to go in where the vein on the leaf is and just clip through and then down to the base. If you want to use a foliage that you think might droop a little bit, or just want to be extra cautious with your pieces, or create kind of a couture look. This gives you can make the leaf go to the left, you can make the leaf go to the right, you can do all kinds of things now that your leaf is wired. I love having as much control over the leaves and the flowers that I use in boutonnieres. Hair pieces, wiring is really helpful. It's my concentrating tape face. In terms of gauge, 26 would be ideal. I think I've got 24 in my hand at the moment, but I feel really comfortable with wiring and how it feels, so it's not the end of the world that I don't have 26, but I think I would recommend going just even a little bit finer than this. Okay, and this last little guy, I don't know if I want to wire him or not. I don't think so. No, actually, this is 26, I think. I just had picked up the wrong one there the first time. Just creating that hairpin. Wrapping the wire around and down. I'm gonna find some better tape than this. I mean, it's okay, but it's not good for fine wiring. I heard there is some really nice stuff in England. So if you're from England and you have it, maybe you can send me some. I wanted to try it. This just gets so bulky and I just don't care for it. I'm just going to wrap in the stem tape the bottom parts of these, and then the top part I'm going to camouflage with leaf or something you won't notice it too much. Okay, my little ranunculus, I'll just pop his head off. Actually, for this little guy, since he's so little, I'm just going to go through his stem like this as opposed to going over the top. So we're going to go in through the side. Actually, I don't know what I was thinking on those. Leaves, but I can just trim the whole stem, that bulky part of it. I can trim that whole thing right out. Okay, so let's put all these little pieces together. I'm going to start with the largest piece of coral bell foliage, layer over top of that one of the smaller ones. And behind, I'm going to tuck the largest coral bell flower, and that hides that wire like I was mentioning. And then over top, we'll layer in the next one. Just like our bouquet, everything's going to be cascading to the side. Going to finish it off with this little ranunculus bud, which will cover up the wiring for that piece of coral bell flower. And there you have it, all put together. And whenever you wire, at least whenever I do, I like to cover up the whole stem structure underneath with ribbon. So I'll be right back and we'll do that next. Okay, I have my pretty gold ribbon here. This is from M&J Trim in New York City. If you ever happen to get to the city, that's a fun place to go and check out all the different ribbons. I am going to start just right here, take a loop under the bottom, and then I'm going to work back down from the top. And then I'm gonna, since it's kind of see-through, I'm just gonna go back up to the top again. And then we're gonna hold there, and I'm gonna catch that and tie in the front. trim up some of these little baby threads. But part of its charm is that it is lots of little delicate threads. Okay, so that's my little baby boutonniere to go along with this bouquet. And, you know, we could add some of this gold to the bouquet as well. Just depends what you like. All right, that's what I've got for you today. Looking forward to seeing you again soon.